Hi everyone, this is Steve Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties. Just standing outside here enjoying some fresh air. A lot of people have been asking me questions about how are things going in the real estate world, and I just wanted to give you a little update on that as far as some essential things that still have to happen, and so they are. You may be currently under contract, or maybe you're considering looking at homes. And so the title companies are a real important part of the whole closing process, and they are still open. They're working by appointment only. And so that's great. They're doing all their closings with us. A lot of times they may limit the amount of people that come in for the closing, but we're still getting through those. The other important part is the Laramie County Assessor and the filing department. They're still taking some e-filings that the title companies do, which is a real important part of the closing. So those are still taking place, and business is moving forward. Just wanted to give you a little update from that regard, and hope you have a great day.